Hello friends, good morning to all of you. I hope that you might be safe at home. Please stay home, stay safe. Your safety is our priority. Okay friends, today we will study about the topics respiration in plants and exchange of gases in roots, stems and leaves. First of all, we will study about respiration in plants. In case of plants, gaseous exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen takes place through stomata in leaves and lenticels in woody stem and older roots. Now we should know about stomata and lenticel. Stomata are tiny pores present on the surface of leaves, whereas lenticels are pores present on the surface of woody stem, that is called as bark, and also in older roots. So where the stomata are present? Stomata are present on the surface of leaves, whereas lenticels on the bark and older roots. As we know that during respiration, oxygen is continuously absorbed by the plant parts, that is leaves, stems, roots, and carbon dioxide is released. Respiration in plants differs from animals in three aspects. First is that in case of plants, the part of plants, that is root, stem and leaf, perform respiration individually. Meaning thereby is that root will respire individually, stem will respire individually and leaf will respire individually. Why? Because there is no respiratory system like animals. Second is that there is little or no transport of gases from one part of the plant to other part, unlike animals. Now the question arises here, why this happened? Because plant parts respire individually. Third is that rate of transpiration is slow in case of plants as compared to animals, because animals require more energy to perform their life activities. In this figure, it is indicated that during respiration, oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is given out. Next topic is exchange of gases in roots and stems. Root hair take up oxygen from soil by diffusion process. They are in contact with oxygen in soil. Soil have pores filled with air that carry oxygen. Now oxygen diffuses into root hairs and passes into the other cells of the roots. After completing the process of respiration, carbon dioxide from root cell similarly moves out into the soil. In woody plants, the bark has lenticel for gaseous exchange. In the slide, it is shown that how exchange of gases takes place. In this figure, it is also shown that soil particles having air spaces and root hairs to absorb oxygen. This figure also makes you clear about how root absorb oxygen from the air present in between the soil particles through the root hairs. This is again the same to illustrate that outer layer of root hair is called epiblema, helps in exchange of gases. This is the figure showing lenticels on bark of the tree and structure of lenticel. I will tell you one activity how to get lenticel on a piece of paper, but don't go outside for this activity. If there is large tree inside premises of your house, then take a piece of white paper and put it on the trunk of the tree. Then take a crayon of light color like yellow, light green, light orange, etc. and then scrub it on the paper. You will find small pores like structure on the paper. This is lenticel. So enjoy the activity. This is the also figure showing lenticel in the bark of the stem. Next topic is exchange of gases in leaves. As we know that stomata are present on the surface of leaves and are responsible for exchange of gases. Whenever carbon dioxide concentration increases, stomata opens to release it into the atmosphere by the process of diffusion. This is the figure showing the position of stomata in the leaves. This figure shows about the cross section, or we say transverse section. This is the three-dimensional figure and stomata. This is the figure showing open and closed stomata. In practical, we will see the stomata later with the help of compound microscope. So this is all about the details about the stomata. Go through it. Thank you and have a nice day. I hope you must have enjoyed the lesson.